Today we're working with scales. So let's start off with the graph. Now we have our x and our y-axis. Let's pretend we want to plot the points 50 and 60. And 50 would be our x here. 60 would be our y plot point. Well, how do we want our axes to look? Do we want to count by 1, 2, 3, and so on, all the way over to 50? And the same over here on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 60? Well, it's a good question. You know, that would take a lot of time to do. We could do it and then make the graph very big. It would be a lot of wasted paper. Well, the next thought is, make another graph here. We could make our axes smaller. So let me get some green. Having some trouble with the pen. And put a lot of little lines here. And then we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, what would end up happening is our graph would be cluttered. So let's make a third scenario here. So we have our x and our y axis. But this time we're going to change the scale on the x and y axis. Instead of counting by ones, we're going to let the graph look the same, not waste too much paper, not make the graph too small. By changing the scale, we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 50. The same over here, 10, 20, 30. And we do that all the way up to 60. So now we're able to plot our graph pretty easily. So we have 50 going up this way, 60 going up this way. Now we have our point plotted on the graph. 50. By changing the scale, we can save space and save time.